Choose one of these images, click on the download button here, and get paid from this platform here, which is available worldwide. How easy is that? You can repeat this process as many times as you want and earn as much money as you want to. You don't need a camera for this to take photos of yourself, you don't need to be an expert in anything, and every single one of you watching can do it and get paid. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Alright, so the very first platform we will be using today in order to get paid, guys, is this one right here called Crello.com. And what this site is, you can see immediately when you come on to their homepage. This is a designer website. You can come on here and then use the thousands of templates this site has to offer. You can design an Instagram post, for example, an Instagram story, and so on. It is essentially a designer site, as I said earlier. With that being said, let's make something clear right away. You do not need to be a skillful or professional designer to be able to make this work. This literally requires no skills to be able to do this, and soon you'll find out that it's incredibly easy, and this whole strategy itself is incredibly simple. It's nothing too complicated. Anyone can do this and get paid. You just need to follow the steps in this tutorial and keep watching, because otherwise, if you try and figure things out by yourselves, it won't work and you'll end up wasting your time for nothing. Anyway, the very first thing that you need to do when you come onto this site is simply sign up. So you want to click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. And by the way, as you've heard, this is indeed a free platform and you don't need to invest a dime into this to make this work. Although it's worth noting that they do offer some pricing plans, so you will have to pay them after the trial is over if you want to use them in the long run. But thanks to the amount of money you'll be able to make using this website, that won't be a problem whatsoever. Anyways, what happens from here is that you will be taken over to this page so you can sign up. You can sign up by connecting your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts with Crello. Or you can choose to sign up via email and enter in your email address and password in these two boxes, and then click on sign up below to finish the process. Regardless of how you signed up, whether it's via email or otherwise, this is how everything will look once you log in into your brand new Crello account. You'll be able to see all of these templates. They range from templates for Instagram stories and posts all the way to YouTube thumbnails and Facebook posts. And with that said, there is something very much noteworthy about this website, guys. Since it is a designer's website, as I said in the beginning, if you happen to have even halfway decent skills, then you can most definitely use this platform to design YouTube thumbnails, for example, which can earn you a lot of money in the long run. We won't be focusing on thumbnails in this tutorial, however, because creating them does require some design skills. But 90% of the other stuff you can design in this platform doesn't require any skills whatsoever, because the templates, as you can see, are basically done for you. You just need to customize them to your customer's liking and you can get paid. It's as simple as that. Now here's what the editor of this website looks like. This is arguably one of the best part about this platform, because good templates aren't worth anything if you can't edit them properly or if the editor isn't any good. As far as this platform is concerned, the editor is fantastic to say the least. You can change the background, the colors. You can of course change the positioning, size, and the font of the text. And you can of course write in whatever you want instead. In any case, now that you guys know what Crello is and how to sign up to it, let me actually show you how you will be getting paid and the platform from where you'll be getting paid as well. The platform in question is this one you see right now called Latium.org. And what this site is, for those of you who are wondering, is a freelancing platform where everyday people like me and you come in order to offer their services, like transcription for example. And what I need you guys to do now is to come over to this platform and sign up. So you want to click on I want to work here, since obviously we're not going to be paying anyone. From there, you will be taken to another page where you'll need to enter in your email address, and once you're done, just click on I'm not a robot and then on sign up. What happens from there is you'll need to enter in additional information about yourself, your first and last names, a unique username. You will also need to create a password, and when you enter all of that data, you will be able to sign up. Now once you sign up, this is how everything will look on this website. And what you can do now guys is browse different projects by clicking on the browse button right here. And on the next page, you will now be able to see all of these categories on the left hand side of your screen. But since we are here to get paid for design, you'll want to select the graphics and design category right here. Take a look at this. The people are willing to pay a lot of money for a bunch of different stuff. This person will pay up $25 for a logo design. And let's run with this example just so I can show you how quickly you can create one using Crello. All you would have to do is go back over to Crello.com, type in logo in the search bar right here, and the platform will now show you hundreds of done for you logos that you can actually use. Now keep in mind that a designer would normally have to design a logo, in this case from scratch. Meanwhile, thanks to Crello, you basically have a logo design done for you already. All you have to do now is pick one of these, and which one you go for depends on what your customer wants. When you open up a logo, all you literally need to do is change the text accordingly, download it, and then send it back to the customer on Latium, and you will earn $25 for like 5 minutes worth of work. Now how crazy is that? What I have shown you guys applies to everything and anything. Keep in mind that the logo design I used as an example will make you the least amount of money. Designing other things can earn you far more cash. You can literally rinse and repeat from there to earn as much money as you want to. Find a customer who wants something designed for them, go to Crello and finish the design in like 5 minutes, and then send that design back over to your customer. This has a huge potential to get you paid, because you have no limit as to how often you want to do this. There are new people looking for designers on Latium every single day, meaning you can never run out of work. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.